Dear children, once again we have here lesson number 5, The Mullah's Son. So, after reading this lesson, you should learn the difficult words and even words to know. So, the words meanings are given on page number 44. The words such as famous, directions, troubles, shocked. Coming to the next page, decided, behaved, speechless. So the meaning of these words are given in page number 44. So let's read the word meanings. Words to know: behave, quote, decided, directions, famous, shocked, speechless, troubles. These are the words taken from the lesson number 5, The Mullah's Son. These are some of the words you should know, and even the meanings of these words are given and you should understand it. So let's see one by one what is the meaning of the words. There are 8 words, word meanings to learn, children. So before learning, let's start reading them. Behave: to act in an acceptable way. Otherwise, one more meaning is given: being polite and good tempered. Here you can find there are 2 meanings which are provided. So any one meaning you can learn. So what is the meaning of behave? To act in an acceptable way. Otherwise, being polite and good tempered. Once again, repeat after me: behave. Repeat, children: behave. To act in an acceptable way, or being polite and good tempered. Say being polite and good tempered. Next we have quote. What is this? Quote: the ministers, officers and officials who attend a king. Once again, the ministers, officers and officials who attend a king. The ministers, officers and officials who attend a king. So court is a place where the ministers, officers and officials attend a king. So next word we have decided. Made up one's mind, or one more meaning, settled. Made up one's mind or settled. Decided, made up one's mind or settled. Next one, directions. Lines, points in different places. This is a comma, okay? You should not say here or. Fine. This is apostrophe. Semicolon, sorry. This is a semicolon where you should use or. Now here it's a comma. So you need to say lines, points in different places. Lines, points in different places. This is a single sentence. Directions. Once again say directions. Lines, points in different places. Next one. Famous. What is this? Famous. Known by many people. Once again, known by many people. Famous means what? Known by many people. Shocked. Repeat, children. Shocked. Upset. Stunned. Surprised. Once again, shocked means upset or stunned or surprised. 3 word meanings are given. 1, 2, 3. You can learn any one. Shocked means what? Upset. Stunned, or you can say surprised. Next one. Speechless. Speechless. Not able to speak. Silent or silent. Not able to speak or silent. Once again. Speechless. Not able to speak or silent. Not able to speak or silent. Next one, last one we have troubles, worries or problems. Repeat, troubles means what? Worries or problems. Troubles means worries or problems. So, 8 word meanings we have learned. Reading. Now what you should do? After reading, you should learn them. So the homework for today is to learn and write one time. Learning should be done 5 times and writing should be done 1 time. Okay, you should write in your notebook very neatly. All these are very important and you need to study even the spellings of the word meanings. Hope so you understood. So let's read it once again. Behave. It's a question. Behave. What you should answer? To act in an acceptable way. Or what you can say? One more answer. Being polite and good tempered. Next, quote. The ministers, officers and officials who attend a king. Next, decided. Made up one's mind or settled. In these two, anyone you can say, that is settled or made up one's mind. Directions. Lines, points in different places. Famous. Known by many people. Shocked. Upset or stunned or surprised. Speechless. Not able to speak or silent. Troubles, worries or problems.